Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to try and pull out some of my annuals that have seen better days. We're here at the original farm, so it has gone to weed. It has just been neglected, so it's time to get in and get some of the stuff taken care of. It's all got to go anyway, so I figured we'll just start with this bed here and that'll get me a line of irrigation to take over to the other farm. It is, however, predicted to be quite a nice storm come through, so I don't know how far I'll get before I get wet, but we'll give it a go. I have the Campanula to come out, there's garlic in there to come out, I've got Ranunculus up this end. My status is looking pretty good, it's just on a bit of a lean. Campanula there, Ranunculus in there with all those weeds. So I'm already getting wet. Oh well, I'll try and get a few out and then we might have to pause and come back and start again. Alrighty, that's the lavender Campanula, bellflower, whatever we're calling it, pulled out. It wasn't too bad. So you can see where I had the irrigation on last night. Lots and lots of snails and earwigs. They are everywhere. Look at that. And good thing about being on this farm is my wing woman's here to help me. Hey baby, what you doing? Hey, hey, are you coming round? Where? Oh, jeez. Hello. I was not expecting you to go up there. Oh, please don't do biscuits on my back. Don't do biscuits on my back. No biscuits, please. No biscuits. Yeah, no biscuits. Oh, okay, so they're out, and here is my gorgeous pile. That is humongous. Hey guys, it's a new day. I finished the Campanula, and then I ended up having to go into town, and we got 53 mils of rain that night. So I've got some footage that my husband sent through of the rain at the other farm, so pop that in here somewhere. it fair tanked down. So anyway, we're back at it. I'm going to dig up the Ranunculus now. It's got, you can see, where's one? There's the seed head with one, so it's in there. I planted all these guys with you, so that's just all weeds. So I just need to find the Ranunculus under there and get them out. So we're just gonna crack on with it. Let's go. The other day I did that bit, and today we're going to keep going here and find the Ranunculus that are in here. I planted them with you guys in another video, so we kind of know where they are. I just have to get them out from in amongst the hogweed and the thistles. So me and the trusty umbrella are going to tackle this. I'm not sure how far we'll get, but I hope to get this, at least this bed of Ranunculus done. But as you can see, there is a lot to get going. So there will be a process of how we're going about cleaning all this out in videos to come. So you'll probably watch my sanity slowly disappear. I'm already fairly overwhelmed with the prospect of trying to get rid of all of that. Alrighty, we've finished digging up all of the Ranunculus, and we're just left with the beautiful weeds. And I have taken the irrigation out, or pulled it up. It's now over at the other farm, ready to go on a new bed over there. Here are the ranunculuses that I pulled up. That was the mixed ones. Here are the Rosa Chiaro ones. And this is just a few of the marshmallow ones. Now that I have them all dug up, I will go through and clean them up. So I'll trim off the spent stems and clean up the roots and just give them a light shake off, get rid of all the excess dirt. And then they'll all go into a crate and be stuffed somewhere in my house, ready for next year. That's about all there is to Ranunculus. Stay tuned for more chaos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.